Hello, hello, welcome back. In this one we're going to be looking at another Silversun Pickups one. The first one we did was massively popular, so thank you everyone who watched that. This one is a Patreon request for Frank Ieen. Hey Frank, hope you're well. Thank you very much indeed for your support, sir. And the one Frank wants us to look at next is Panic Switch. So let's do that, shall we? The first riff is trickier than it seems. You're going to play this. Right, and then into the lead line. So you're basically playing an octave, then the B flat, then I move my first finger up to the 4th fret on the low E, and then play 4-6. And thereafter, I use my first finger to play. So you've got to jump around a bit, but I can't really tell what the guitarist is doing in that bit, but the bass player definitely is moving about like that. So that was the easiest way for me. Otherwise, you could play. But my fingers don't like that. Either one is fine. Up to you. Then you chuck a load of reverb at it. I haven't gone for the exact tone on this one because he uses a pog and stuff like that, which I don't have. So I will get one and I will sort that out for you. Anyway. Basically, the first time, bit too much decay there. So basically, you're going to go 3, 6, 8, 10. Then you're going to do 3, 6, 8, 5. Now the phrasing is very loose in this. You're not going to make the change on the beat. So the first change comes in on the 4 and. The next one comes in on the 3 and. Then you go to the 10th fret for 6 beats. So that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Something like that. Then you're going to play 3, 6, 8, 5. And you just repeat that round a couple of times. Then you got this cool funky lead part which is played on the B string. So basically, pretty simple, but it's all in the rhythm of the right hand, really. So the notes are just... That comes in just before the first beat. So it's 2, 3, 4. Okay, so then you're going to play... Again. Okay, let's do that bit first with a bit of right hand wackiness. So you just need to tart it up with a few scratchy bits in between, right? Alright, so the second part is... Again. Back to the first part. And then bend on the 11th fret like a half step. No guitar in the verse, and then we've got this. There's another little fill which is just the 9th fret on the B string, played for 4 bars, but on the fourth bar, you start to bend the note up. Basically, just a little effect. Then you've got the chorus riff. Second time round, it's slightly different in that the last two bars flip around the order they play in, right? So you get. Each chord is played for 2 bars, all 8th notes. You're going to do the C sharp first, to F, to D sharp, to C. Then you've got C sharp to F again. This time you go C to D sharp. Then the solo part is, again, it's very, very hacky and feely, so get a bit of attitude in there. Basically, though, you're going to play down, down, up, whack, whack, whack. And then 8th fret to the 10th fret, hammer on the G string. Like that. Then after that you've got this, it's quite quiet I think, but I think I hear and then into the pre-chorus bit, right? But that is basically same as before, right? Whack, whack, whack. Then you got 11, 8, 9, 10. I'm using my first and second fingers there for, you know, the 8th and the 9th fret respectively. But then thereafter you just have 2 whackers. So to simplify, you have first and then you have 10 of these. Just play that 10 times. And then coming out of that, you've got a rest, and then you're on the 10th fret on the G. So 2, 3, 4, 1. 10, 8, 7, 8. Okay, pre-chorus is cool. It's just 2 chords. You're going from the F to the D sharp, and that goes like this. And back into the chorus again. So you're basically playing 8th notes, but you're going to play 9. And then change for the remainder of that bar. Then the next bar you do the same, but on the 6th fret. So you've got 9. And repeat round. So there you have it. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you all enjoyed that. And Frank, thanks again for your support. Cheers. See you soon.